Good morning, fam. All right, so I am going to show you what outside of here looks like. Okay, okay. All right, guys, as you can see here, we're out here in these Chiang Mai streets, riding around. Let's see what we could get into. And the weather is actually nice here. It's very, oh, look at the cop car. Oh, I'm sorry, I digress. Yeah, the weather here is very different from Bangkok. It's a lot cooler due to us being down in the valley and, surrounded by the mountains. And today I'm going to the mall to see what it's looking like. All right, so let's go. Okay, that building right there is called the base. Open, but I decided to sit out here for a little bit and take it all in because it's nice, laid back atmosphere here. Very different from the fast-paced Bangkok, but yeah. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. As I entered into the mall, here is KFC. It's over here on the right. And during lunchtime, this whole mall is jumping. And of course, I saw some sweets. Here is, these were cheesecakes and little tarts. Okay, it appears as if the food court is definitely downstairs. And this is more like a food market. This place is massive, just like the other malls here in Bangkok. Well, I mean, not a Bangkok, but you know what I mean. They even have a Dickies here as well, guys, in this mall. Isn't that something? Everything. The mall. There's bananas. So I think I'm on the tech floor.
Everything here. Another overview. Thought was butterflies, but I don't know what it's supposed to be. Alright, guys. Continue on.
I see how you look at me. I hear what you say, what you wanna be. You think you can win me with your strategy, but I'm not a prize in your victory. I see how you look at me. I hear what you say, what you wanna be. You think you can win me with your strategy, but I'm not a prize in your victory. You're swimming in the shallows, while I'm the deep blue sea. Don't need your empty promises.
Planning that next big adventure? I was too. I had my itinerary all set, and then it hit me. What if I get sick? Or what if I get injured? Then I remembered, Safety Wing. Safety Wing is designed for people that love to travel, whether you're a tourist or a digital nomad. You get flexible insurance coverage that covers medical emergencies, doctor visits, as well as trip insurance. Now, that's the peace of mind you really need. Seriously, don't leave home without this protection. It's a game changer. Just keep your focus on having fun and click the link in my description below. And remember, Safety Wing is the insurance to have. Travel smart.
Oh, that looks interesting. And it smells good. Definitely smells good. Baht for the movie. I'm gonna this one you make your own food. Yep, it's making his own food.
Better let me be a danger in my energy. Not tryna be a fantasy. No need for apologies, no. Cause you're gonna have to let this feeling go. The same old game. You whisper my name like a burning flame. You think that your touch could just make me tame, but I'm not the one who is taking the blame. You're swimming in the shallows while I'm the deep blue sea. Don't need your empty promises, so you better let me be a danger in my energy. Not trying to be a fantasy. No need for apologies, no. Cause you're gonna have to let this feeling go.
Oh, actually on the 5th they also have a cinema, which is right there. I haven't gone down to the very bottom floor yet, but I will. But yeah, you guys can see, very, very busy in here. Definitely the place to be. This is foodie. Japanese cuisine. This is what we will be doing for lunch. So, see what they have. This is my strawberry drink. For right now, look at the flower. You want to say hi, Michael?
Hi, Mikey.
Please say hello.
Hello, everyone. I don't know if these people got sense that I'm with or not. I'm here.
This is what I gotta deal with.
Oh my gosh, cut.
It's like, now I got some on.
This is onion, so we know we're not touching that. There's the rice. And salmon with mushrooms. And a lovely salad. And I think this is, miso soup.
I just want to see how their courage tastes.
This is courage chicken for Mikey. And he doesn't want to share.
No.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Minus the onions. Miso soup. And more onions. Okay. And California roll looking all pretty and glistening. Okay, I don't recall what this dish was, but my food that I had was very delicious. And sea kingfish, I am eating greens. Look at this. Yep. And salmon. Oh no, I was trying to taste what that mushroom thing was. No, that was chicken. Anyway, my food was delish. And I finished everything. Oh, actually it was mushroom or tofu. It wasn't very good. That wasn't good. The Adventures of Durian, as this is a durian fest.
สวัสดีค่ะเจ้าพ่อโปรรอบนี้นะคะ
And then there's a top here as well.
ใน2026 มาจัดโปรนะคะสำหรับลูกค้าช้อปปิ้งในศูนย์การค้าอันที่บาทค่ะปกติต้องช้อปปิ้งครบ500 บาทนะคะถึงจะได้ผลไม้ค่ะได้เป็นนะคะทุเรียนหอมทองทุเรียนรสค่ะทุเรียนก้านยาว และทุเรียนพวงมณีค่ะแล้วก็มีชนิดไข่ด้วยนะคะเลือกได้เลยเป็นของเลือกของได้เลยค่ะวันนี้
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm sorry, I got distracted. Strawberry cheesecake. Looks so good. You may have to give me one of those.
ก็คือนกขีดด้านยาว
And they have blueberry too.
ตอนนี้เหลือได้ค่ะ
Oh, mixed chocolate and this one's s'mores. Okay, and this is what I guess the side area looks like. This is down to the front, well, the side view still of the mall. So you can see. And over there is where I came in at. But yeah, this is it. Oh, you can see the mountains in the distance. Okay, guys, you see the difference. Hours late. Earlier this morning. Until now. Everything and then some.
Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of Winnie's Way. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if there's another area that you'd like for me to visit, just drop me a comment, shoot me an email, and let me know. And thank you once again so much for tuning in to another episode. All right, until next time.